So the initial task is started by flipping this weighted paddle off the side, which pulls on the string which goes over the pulley and is attached to this blueprint here, which unrolls. This, as it swings down, there's magnets here which is attracted to the metal, so it gives it an extra kick towards this marble, which goes down the cone in a circular motion and goes down the tube and into the first subtask.
Hit that first ball and goes through these ways, there's different levels, and kick the big one that kick on this big part, this big area, to get impulse to this going on, and like this zigzag to kick this one to hit on the block that pull this thing that don't give this go down, and it's go down, kick the light, and anyway it starts the dominoes. That the last domino goes like this, has a little hook.
Okay, so the little panda you see here pushes this toy car, and this goes all this way down. Push this stuff. This rotates and remove this little stand from this pulley kind of stuff here. So when this stuff goes out, we have like this going down, and then it makes a contact with this because we have like a wire here, so it makes a contact with this, and then we have a motor under this, under the CN tower in Toronto. So when this stuff goes down, we have the contact here, so the stuff connects and powers the motor under here, and this stuff rotates. And then while rotating, it binds this stuff to the tower, and then it keeps like going until it folds everything and then pulls this part.
So this part pulls this way and works as a lever here and knocks this coin into the little bucket, which descends and lifts the King Kong monkey up the side of the building, which falls on this part of the seesaw, which dislodges the marbles forward, and they slide down the tubing, which then comes down here and knocks on this little surface here, which unhooks this little weighted smiley face guy, who rocks up, knocks this ball, which hits this ball, which is attached to some magnetic tape with some magnets, and dislodges that, which springs across with the slinky and knocks this ball into the Sydney Opera House subtask.
Yes, and this Sydney Opera House is an inclined plane. We have 3 balls here and we have 2 balls here. This side is heavier now. When the ball comes and reaches here, it will push this out and it will follow it, it will go out. This ball, this area will be heavier. It will go down and this ball will come here and reaches here to the card box. And also before, when it reaches the card box, there is a stick here. It will touch the bottom of the keyboard that is connected via Bluetooth to the music, and it will play music with the speaker here. And here it will reach the next task.
When the ball came from here, this one will knock this small card, and this one will knock this down. And there's a pulley here which connected the ball. The ball will falling down and touch the switch, which can control the light on Eiffel Tower. So the light will on. And also there's a small piece of paper connect the rope, connect the ball, and it will connect with this coins on the table. When this paper falling down, the coins will falling down, and this one will falling down to knock this one.
The club.
Yeah, the club of Dubai Tower.
the cloud descends and it's weighted with a spring, and that's why it makes that slow motion down, rocking down, and then comes in contact with the circle of dominoes, which comes to the end and knocks this final domino off for the final subtask, which pulls this string attached to another pulley, which then flicks down here, connects here, and you have the two towers, the bridge, along with the suspension of the London Bridge.